I just finished up a couple of hours of tennis lessons, and now it's time. You know that time. Fruit up, baby. What do I have in here? This is the best chocolate non-milk shake you will ever have. Right there. 2 ingredients, well, 3 ingredients. I added some water. Bananas and mamey sapote. Mamey sapote is an awesome fruit. Check this out. That's mamey sapote. What a thing of beauty. And it tastes so good. I mean, it's like a sweet potato with brown sugar on it. It has hints of pumpkin, caramel. It's amazing stuff. So when I was out in Immokalee, I picked up like 6 of these big bad boys. I should say good boys. These are good boys. And you can see they're getting wrinkly. That means they're, of course, ripe. So I keep those in the fridge now. Once they get ripe, keep them in the fridge. Otherwise, they're going to go bad. Now, the other fruit I have, here's my... That's the chocolate milkshake. It's fantastic. This other fruit, it's called sapodilla. A friend of mine who's up in Canada has not come back down to Florida since COVID. And he appreciates that I will pick the fruit off his trees instead of letting it go to waste. And he's got sapodilla trees that are off the charts. Well, one in particular that produces like you cannot believe. This fruit, oh man, it's so good. This fruit, it kind of looks like a kiwi. Both the sapodillas and the mamey are similar on the outside, that brownish type color. Inside here, you've got some pits as well. See, there's that pit. And this tastes like pear. It's like pear with hints of cinnamon. Super sweet. Oh, man. You can eat 5 or 6 of these things. No worries. And this is what's available down here in Southwest Florida. And I am extremely thankful to the Creator for providing this kind of food. I mean, it's highest energy food on planet Earth is fruit. Okay, so that's what I'm eating right now. Watermelons are in season, oranges are in season. This is a great time for fruit in South Florida. So just wanted to encourage you all, keep fruiting up. It's the real deal. Now, if you wanted to, I could add some leafy greens to my banana smoothie, my banana mamey smoothie. And the leafy greens will make it even more nutrient dense because there's more mineral content in greens. So you'd be getting a double whammy of good stuff. So fruit up, guys. I'm still hanging in there. I tell you, I'm trying my best. I haven't been 100% raw, but close to it, very close. And, you know, the more raw you stay, the better off. And the simpler you can keep your diet. You don't need tons of different ingredients. All those different condiments and different things are just sucking your energy levels. When you eat simple meals like here, I've got bananas, mamey, and water. So simple. The body can assimilate that and use it to fuel every cell in my body. So all the best, guys. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. I haven't been doing a whole lot of new videos. I'm going to try and do more now. I want to do a fruit farm tour. I want to show you what I have in the back there. I've got mamey growing, and I've got sapodillas. Hello. Did you hear that bird? Come on. There he goes. Yeah, I hear you. Come on, talk back. All right, that's another bird. Anyway, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and fruit up as often as possible. Well, that's another video. How many meals? Well, fruit is the best in-between meal, but make fruit the meal. That's the deal. Make fruit the meal. All the best, guys. Take care.